Welcome back. Tourism season has come to an end. Season's last cruise ventured into Goa from Dubai. The cruise docked at berth number 10 at the MPT. It carried 3,069 passengers to Goa. The cruise is 311 meters long with 1,500 rooms. The cruise will be on its journey to Cochin on Friday night. Surendra Madkekar reports.
पवित्र भूमीचेर आयज जगातली सगळ्यात व्हडली बोट मरीनर ऑफ द सीज ही एमपीटीच्या बर्थ नंबर 10 लागलेली आसा. तेजेर जवळ जवळ 3000 टुरिस्ट येयल्ले आसा गोंयांत आनी 1200 क्रू स्टाफ आसा त्या बोटीचेर. एमपीटीतल्या बर्थ नंबर 10 वयल्यान प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर सुरेंद्र मडकयकर.
Just a few more days and summer vacations will end, so why not make full use and enjoy remaining days? Enhance Exhibition and Events is organizing a 5-day summer camp for children at Prudent. The camp will start from 29th May and will go on till 2nd of June.
Enhance Exhibition and Events has come up with a unique event for children. Conclude your summer vacations at Prudent from 29th May till 2nd June. It's a summer camp for children with lots of workshops, kits, certificates, prizes and fun.
Workshops, we have martial art, we have first aid, we have musical like piano, guitar, tabla, harmonium. We have creative classes, flower making, candle making. We have embroidery classes. We have painting, drawing and creative handwriting classes. It's a really great chance for all the kids. Every child should participate in such programs.
So hurry up kids and register yourselves with Enhance Group. Shishant Pearl for Prudent.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.